Okay, I'm going to do a quick review of the Helmic 3.1. I found this on YouTube and I bought it right away. It seems to be doing great. We're going 60 plus miles an hour and there's pretty much no wind noise. It's great. I don't know why a big company doesn't make one of these, but this thing's awesome. It's 3D printed, looks good, Velcro's right in, and we go pretty fast with this thing with the windows open, and it does great. Unlike all the other mic setups I've tried, this one's definitely been the best. And we're gonna track out here at Sonoma, and yeah, we're going 90 and it does great. Definitely a great microphone. I definitely suggest it. Link in the description for anything additional you need to see. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this with racing, microphones, cameras, auto mechanic stuff. Subscribe.